Hello everyone! In today's video, we're continuing our series on Vietnamese sweet treats and toppings, and I'm going to show you how to make silky smooth grass jelly, quick and easy. Grass jelly comes from the Masona plant, a cooling herb known for its detoxifying properties. While it was traditionally made from fresh or dried leaves with tapioca starch or cornstarch, most people now use ready-made jelly powder. There are two types, black and white, each with a slightly different texture. In this video, I'll show you how to make both. We'll start with the black jelly. I'm going to open the packet now. Inside, you'll find the black jelly powder, a packet of sugar, and some banana essence. Black jelly has a slightly earthy, grassy aroma, so adding a few drops of banana essence or honey really helps give it a pleasant scent. I'll take 25 grams of the black jelly powder and place it in a bowl. Then, I'll pour in 200 milliliters of water and give it a good stir. Black jelly powder doesn't absorb water very easily, so make sure you mix it thoroughly until it's fully dissolved. Now let's do the same with the white jelly in another bowl. This packet doesn't come with banana essence, but it does have some black sesame seeds instead. White jelly dissolves more easily in water, and it also sets faster and has a slightly different texture compared to the black jelly. We'll soak both kinds of jelly powder for about 15 minutes so they have time to fully bloom. After 15 minutes, we'll strain them to get a smooth jelly base with no lumps. All right, time to cook the jelly. I'll start with the white one. In a pan, I'm adding 450 milliliters of water and 80 grams of sugar. This gives the jelly a light sweetness. If you prefer it sweeter, feel free to add a bit more sugar. Turn the heat to medium and stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar water comes to a boil, slowly pour in the soaked white jelly mixture while stirring constantly. Keep stirring and cook it over medium heat. When the mixture thickens into a smooth, glossy jelly and starts to bubble gently, after about 4 to 5 minutes, we'll turn off the heat. Strain it once more and pour it into a mold. And that's it for the white jelly. Now let's cook the black one. Like I mentioned earlier, black jelly absorbs more water and has a softer, more elastic texture, so I'm using 500 milliliters of water this time. The amount of sugar stays the same, 80 grams. The cooking process is just like with the white jelly. Once the sugar water boils, slowly pour in the soaked black jelly while stirring. Keep cooking and stirring for about 4 minutes until the jelly is thick and smooth. Right before turning off the heat, add a few drops of banana essence and give it a final stir to make it fragrant. Strain it and pour it into a mold. Let both types of jelly cool completely, then cover and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. Once they're fully set, they're ready to eat. The grass jelly turns out silky, fragrant, and super refreshing with just the right hint of sweetness. You can cut it into cubes with a serrated knife or shred it into thin strips. It tastes great on its own, but even better when served with sweet soups or yogurt. If you like something soft and chewy, go for the black jelly. And if you prefer something lighter with a bit of a bounce, try the white one. I hope this tutorial helps you make delicious grass jelly at home. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.